From Guamashu to the Eiffel Tower. Hello, hello, hello from Paris. Yeah, today we're just gonna do the bus tours and go around and visit and see all the historic sites. We don't know where we're gonna end up. We don't know where we're going. We're just gonna jump on one of the buses.
It's been
7 years. I went to London first time. It was 1990s.
Morning.
I was going to Manchester. I stopped there in the water. When I saw the silver container, this country, it was a research. It came to this country years before everybody. But anything was talking for us was French.
But it's so nice when you've always heard of it.
Yeah, when I tell myself, wow.
There's always that feeling of fulfillment.
I say, wow, this guy is, I cannot let him, he's a champion.
Oh, those are nice train seats.
South Africans, they're fine.
Not just South Africans, there are Zulus in Paris.
There are Zulus!
Yes.
Salmanan, hello everybody.
We are here to get back our gold.
Finally! Hi babes! You are a big boy, ne? You're not a baby.
Big boy, baby.
Yeah, you're a big boy, baby.
Okay, baby. Uyazukubuka wenze nje ufisa ntini. Bye, Nanu. We miss you. See you soon. Enjoy. We really need a flag.
Yes.
Or a South African umbrella.
Or something.
Message to the ladies.
Manje sozosithola sesiyigroup yangena.
But yabona, oh, they make a lot of money through tourism here.
No, kakhulu.
What do you wanna say? Are you happy to be in Paris?
Yes,
What's your favorite moment about Paris?
they are nice.
But Disney on Ice is not here. You saw that back in Johannesburg. First thing about being in Paris is Disney on Ice.
Yes, it's from here.
This is the oldest of all the 37 bridges in Paris. And it's called the new. Oh, look at that. You were saying what it's called? Because it was new when it was built. There's something beautiful about how they arrange their seats. But it also means that they like watching people walking, or they sit there so lonely that they have to look at us. There are just so many people everywhere here. Everywhere is so beautiful. tourists, especially the Eiffel Tower and the bus tour that we took with all the beautiful places that we're going to see.
It was really cool. It was really nice, going around Paris and seeing all the sights, learning about them. And the Eiffel Tower is so much cooler and bigger than you expect. I thought it was just going to be really boring, but it's actually really cool, really cool as well. Yeah.
You're enjoying?
Yeah.
Is this the car you want?
Yeah.
What color?
Right.
Why don't you just take this one?
That's the plan.
That's the plan. How much do you think it will cost you to buy one?
300,000.
Rent? South Africa. Mwavule restaurant uzisa abantu emnyango ngathi uvume usedla imali yama-restaurant abantu sebedlela emnyango. Bye guys.